Hi, and thanks for stopping by. My name's Larry Weinstein, and I'm both a CPA and the founder of SolveMyTaxProblems.com. And today I wanted to answer the question, what is the best way of dealing with and working with a revenue officer? Well, if a revenue officer is assigned to your case, typically you're going to be notified of this either through the mail, or you might get a phone call, or if they're having trouble getting in touch with you, they might come by your house and try to get a hold of you there. If they can't get a hold of you there, they might leave a business card. If they try to get a hold of you, the best thing that I can suggest for you to do in working with a revenue officer is to give them a call. See what it is that they want. I would suggest setting up a meeting with the revenue officer, and you guys can get on the same page such that you know what it is that they want and you can plan accordingly. Once you find out what it is that they want, it might be that there's some tax returns that remain unfiled and they're asking you to file those tax returns. Typically, when you meet with the revenue officer, they'll tell you what it is that they want in the example of tax returns, and most importantly, they're going to give you a deadline. They're working this case. They don't have forever to solve the case, to close the matter. So they're going to give you some type of deadline. In some instances, you might need to negotiate with the revenue officer as it relates to the deadline if it's not long enough for you to prepare the information that it is that they requested. But in working with the revenue officer, I would always try to honor the deadlines that they give you. I would try to keep an open communication going with the revenue officer. If you're having trouble meeting a deadline, don't just ignore the revenue officer. They're trying to do a job. If you're having trouble meeting a deadline, call the revenue officer up. Let them know that you need an additional amount of time, say another week or two. Don't just ignore the revenue officer. Keep them in the loop. Let them know what's going on. You're going to work with the revenue officer to resolve the IRS matter that you're dealing with. So the revenue officer is going to be a very important part of solving the problem. So you want this not to be an adversarial relationship. You want it to be a relationship where you're working together to solve the problem. You're helping the revenue officer do their job, and they're going to help you solve the IRS tax problem. So that's it for today, where we talked about how to best work with a revenue officer. I appreciate you stopping by, and we look forward to speaking to you again real soon.